everything is so rhythmatic.
Yeah.
It's like really there for you to enjoy and embrace. But
Right.
we tune that out and be like, oh, they so loud. What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets REACT, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with another American reaction.
Yes.
Super excited about this video, guys. If you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down,
hit that subscribe button,
and turn on the post notification bell because we're on the road to 100K. And we cannot get there without you guys, all right? Join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Ooh, feel the sounds.
Oh, no. Y'all not about to have me crying today. No,
I
y'all
like
not.
It. You gonna
no,
cry?
Y'all not. Because I'm feeling the sound. That's what it's called, right?
It's
Feel the
smooth,
sounds.
man.
It
It's
is.
smooth.
And the movement, and you know, just seeing him with the water jug, I think that is, and the woman pounding the food, and
you know, but the reality of Kenya is this.
Yeah.
Especially like
the Maasai.
They're singing their songs. Someone is cooking and breaking down, you know, the things they need to cook down, like the walking and the kids clapping, the running. They may even add a chirp of a bird here and there.
Right.
But that's the natural rhythm of Kenya. Like that really is the rhythm.
The people, the community vibes, you know, we always reference the Lion King because the Lion King was, you know, in Kenya.
Yeah.
So it's just, even listening to the Lion King soundtracks, that's what I hear. Like I forgot what y'all call it. Ukulele. Something. I forgot what they call it.
Is it?
No, it's something with your voice.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot the name of it, but
it was in the comment section.
Yeah, it was in the comment section. Yeah, but it's like that, and you can feel it, and it sound like animals, but it's not animals. It's them making these. Y'all hear the excitement.
Let's get it.
Come on.
Spaghetti. Yeah.
Woo. Come on, man. Come on, man. It's hard. It's hard. Yeah. If this don't give you chills,
Yes.
then I don't know what you're watching right now.
This is like an
this is deep, bro.
introduction to Kenya.
Yeah, this is deep. This is hard. It's giving like sound, surround sound. Like this is nice. Yeah, that's the one. Hey, that's the one we've been talking about.
Yeah, I keep saying my tutu.
Bruh,
what is it called? Mata
tu.
That. We in it.
We made it. Hey, I'm just like fascinated by it because I know we hear things around and it's like so much noise, but we really have our own theme music every day.
Yeah.
Besides the headphones that we put in, like if you just listen to the nature of life, the people walking, the chattering, the birds chirping, the sound of the wind, everything is so rhythmatic.
Yeah.
It's like really there for you to enjoy and embrace. But we tune that out and be like, oh, they so loud.
Yes.
Oh, they talking too much. Oh, he's smacking the way he eat. Like all that stuff is a rhythm, bro.
Right.
Like real talk.
And imagine, you know, as a person, let's say us, for example, if we was to move out to the country, we would miss home. Just like we moved the state over and we miss our home in Louisiana. Like, it's like a theme song, and it's like we've been reacting to this content for months and months now. So it's like we feel a sense of like us being y'all stepchild, right? When it comes to, you know, family, and we're seeing a lot of, no, we have not been reacting to this for months. We started reacting to Kenyan content like 2 years ago.
But we've seen the walks.
Yeah.
We've seen the work. We've seen the buildings, the sounds of traffic, the rides. You feel me? So we've seen all this.
So it's like we know, we can point out some of the things in the video, and it's like, that is Kenya.
Yeah.
Oh, that is Kenya. And I love how they made the instrumental and the sound effects and the voices and everything to match the things that's going on. Like that thing that was cutting.
That was crazy.
Whatever that was.
Yeah. And they put that in there. Ooh, that was crazy.
And the pounding.
Yeah, everything matters, bro. Everything around you matters. The ruffling of your shirt, like the sounds, like.
Yes.
You know it.
Child,
you know it.
Slow mo.
Look to the piece of the insects, bro.
Oh my god.
You like, you can't get any, like, bruh. You think gonna show the insects chewing next? All that matters, bro. Yeah. Crazy.
That was beautiful.
Yo, if every country do an introduction like this, you guys will flip out because y'all would like want to be there instantly. Like, if they made an hour-long movie scene of this, I'll watch it.
Definitely.
Non-stop. Just all that. All that. I'll watch it.
Oh my God. Tears started swelling up in my eyes. This was one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. I've never walked the soil of Kenya before.
Come on now.
But this video made me feel a sense of pride, and I'm not from there.
I feel you.
Like, oh my God.
Hey, so if they did this for Louisiana, you'll see the eyelashes fluttering.
Everybody dancing.
They'll make the mama screaming sound cool.
Yes, come inside.
Come get your
street lights on.
All that good stuff, for real.
Yes.
Hey, they need to do that, bro. That'd be so fire. That was clean.
That was beautiful.
That was too nice.
That was beautiful.
Yes, hats
All
off.
right, guys.
Hats
we
off.
hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as we did.
Oh, yes.
Like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. We have enabled our super thanks if you like to support the channel that way, as well as our join feature to become a VIP member of the channel. Send in your reaction request through our description box below. We'll see you soon.
Peace.